Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the service reminder on your Hyundai Santa Fe. Start by turning your Hyundai Santa Fe's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip button, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel. You will need to press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display modes until you see the service interval message. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset process. Once you see the service in or service required message, continue holding down the trip button. Keep it pressed for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. The display should then begin to flash, confirming that you have successfully entered the service interval adjustment mode. This flashing indicates the system is ready for your input to reset the reminder. With the display flashing, press and hold the trip button one more time. Maintain pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will observe the display change, indicating the service interval has been successfully reset. Typically, this will set the reminder to its default, which is often 10,000 miles or 12 months, depending on your model. After the service interval has reset, release the trip button. To confirm the reset, turn off your Hyundai Santa Fe's ignition completely, then restart the engine. The service reminder light on your dashboard should now be off, confirming that the process was successful. You have now successfully reset your vehicle's service reminder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.